संसारदावा नललितलोका त्राणयकारुण्यघनाघनत्वम् प्राप्तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्यां वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्. Shri Guru is like an auspicious cloud, giving us cooling showers of Krishna. महाप्रभु कीर्तन नृत्य गीताम वादित्रमार्जान मनसोरसेन रोमांचकां पाश्रुतरंगभाजं वंदे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्. श्रीविग्रहाराधन नित्यनानां शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादं युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्. चतुर्विधा श्रीं भगवत्प्रसादो स्वादान्नतृप्तां हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भज तत्सदैव वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्. Shri Guru Sadhguru is always offering loving service to Bhagavan in the Nama, Bhagavan in the Shri Vigraha, and all serving the Shri Vigraha with the four varieties of bhoga, and then distributing the mercy to all the jivas, to all the Vaishnavas. Sadhguru is so kind. He shelters the dependent jivas. So the jivas also can get to assist Sadhguru while they are in this mortal frame. This is the external worship that goes on. Shri Radhika Madhavayorapayo Madhurya Leela Gunarupanamnam Pratikshana Swadanalolupasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. This is Antarangika Bhajan. While the external bhajan happens in different forms of worship to the Nama, to Shri Vigraha, and to the Lord in the heart of all living entities. The Antarangika Bhajan, where this is Sakira Nugatya Seva, where Sadhu Guru, Shri Guru is always relishing Bhakti Rasa and is absorbed in the Rupa Guna Leela of Bhagavan. And what is the Bhritya, the dependent, the Sharagata Sishya doing? Is in the wing, is under the wing of Shri Guru, assisting in the Antarangika Bhajan. Nikunjayo no ratikeli siddhai yayali bir yukti rapekshaniyam tatrati daksha tativallabhasyan vande guru shri charanarvindam. Sakshat haritvena samasta shastrai yuktastada bhavyatena sadbhi Kintu prabhuyam priyayaiva tasyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Yasya prasadam bhagavat prasadam Yasya prasadam nagati kutopi Dhyayam tu vam tasya yasya trisangyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Guru is Radhika Priyasaki and is coming as Krishna Kripa Shri Murti without prapatti to Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. How can there be smaran? Just because I look at something and start to think about it. So the mercy from Bhagavan, Yasya Prasado, Bhagavad Prasada, all the Prasada from Bhagavan is coming as Prasada. from Shri Guru. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. You have no consideration for the hand of Bhagavan. You have no consideration for the lotus feet of Bhagavan. But you want to see the face of Bhagavan. How can that happen? The hand of Bhagavan has to mercifully place us at the lotus feet of Bhagavan. And then, on their own accord, sweet will Sri Harinam Prabhu will manifest the Rupa. We don't give any chance for the Lord to operate His sweet will. No. You appear now, I have to see now, I'll start imagining. Bhagavan, you manifest when you choose to. Shri Guru Namaha.